Getting your chemical mix right means more consistent foam with longer contact time. This will lead to less wastage and better results. This guide will show you how to mix FlowRPM chemicals in both our PA and Suttner foamers for the perfect application. We'll cover 3 setups in both of our PA foamers as well as our Suttner in both 1 litre and 2 litre variants. Each foamer will draw chemicals slightly differently depending on the machine it is on, so ratios will vary. This chart applies to machines that are running between 13 and 15 litres per minute. Draw rates can vary depending on hose lengths, water temperature and also chemical viscosity. In the example of our PA foamer, to apply a touchless fleet wash at a 1% concentration, we will simply add approximately 800 ml of water to our canister and then fill with 200 ml of touchless chemical. We will then set our dial to one of the lower settings. Once we hook this up to our pressure cleaner, the pressure cleaner will further dilute this chemical, giving us an approximately 1% concentration on the surface. So if we use the example of using a 1 litre Suttner foamer and we want to apply our touchless fleet wash to the surface at approximately 2%, what we would do is we would fill the touchless fleet wash into the Suttner bottle undiluted. We would then set our dial to setting 1 on the Suttner foamer, attached to our pressure cleaner, giving us a surface dilution of approximately 2%. For larger jobs, we would use our 2 litre foamer, where we obviously have a larger volume of chemical that we can store in the container, meaning less fills. We would still apply the same ratios and settings as per we would with our Suttner 1 litre foaming guide. For best results, always use genuine FlowRPM chemicals. Need help choosing the right setup or perfect concentration for your job? Our team is always ready to help. Hard jobs made easy with Spitwater.